Hello and welcome traders. I hope all of you are doing good. So let's start with today's analysis, gold analysis, XAU USD analysis. All right guys, so gold, let me on our drawing. Okay, and let's grab a tool. All right, so guys, as you can see, the gold yesterday made the higher high. Okay, so the gold made higher high of 2305.536, right? So what are the levels for today? Do you need to sell or buy? Okay, so everything will be explained in this video. All right guys, so this level was updated in our Telegram channel. Okay, so I'll show you first. So guys, as you can see, in the morning this level was updated. So if you haven't joined Telegram channel, so please join the Telegram channel guys. There you will receive all the updates first. Okay, so let's move on to our chart. So guys, as you can see, this is our today's levels. So let's discuss about today's level. So first we had this Asian session, which I have shared in our Telegram channel. Okay, so which I have shared in the Telegram channel. So after making the higher high, all-time high, the gold is continuously coming downwards, right? And today we have very important news events. Okay, we have high impact economic news events, right? So NFP, employment change and unemployment change. So today is a very important day guys. Okay, so you need to join the Telegram channel. So I am going to share signals today in the NFP. Okay, and also I'll be sharing a live trading video with you guys. Okay, so make sure you join the Telegram channel. Okay guys, so first thing first, we rejected from this Asian level. So further levels will be updated in the Telegram. Okay guys, so you join the Telegram channel, so continuously you will receive updates there. Okay, then we have a New York continuation soon. So the New York was first bullish. Okay, so when the market rejected, so from the New York it continued rejecting to the downside. Okay, so and I'll explain you, this is day low. Okay, this is day low and this is day high. That means this is previous day low, the red ones. Okay, the red ones, this is previous day low, previous day high, and this blue one is day before yesterday. Okay, so the day before yesterday, so this is day before yesterday's low and high. Okay guys, so currently we got rejected from here. So we have this New York session, which is of 1 hour plus 15 minutes plus 4 hour. So there is a lot of noise over here, lot of volume over here. So I think market can reach till here if you are rejecting from here. Okay, all the updates you will get on Telegram guys. Okay, so make sure you join the Telegram channel guys. Okay, so now currently we took rejection from this side. So once we break the VWAP also, so with VWAP's confirmation we can go downwards. Okay, till this level, and also we can cross previous day low. So you can see 2 days low. This is recent 2 days low. So we are in between recent 2 days low. Okay, so we need to keep that in mind. And also the recent 2 days high are upwards. Okay, so upside. So even if we break this, then we can maximum go till here. Then if we break this, then we have the all-time high. So you can buy from this level. And if you get a good rejection, if we break this level, if we get rejection from this side, then we can come downwards, all the way downwards till here. Or if the news if the gold moves upwards, then we can do more higher high, all-time high. Okay guys, so this is very simple analysis guys. So make sure you join our Telegram channel guys.